everyone, this is Coach Hula and hope you're all well. There's a very good chance that you're going to see my assistant coach, Sing, the rescue kitten, there she is, make a cameo. If you have a resistance tube or even a TheraBand, you can do this exercise. It's going to target your hips and your hamstrings. I'm going to jump right into it. So we're going to step in the middle part of the resistance tube with my left foot. I'm going to give you a side view. You're going to have to get creative to create enough tension to do this. My right hand is going to grab it a little bit lower on the tube so I have some tension. I'm going to grab it lower. And here's how I'm going to start. I'm nice and tall. I'm going to hinge. As I'm holding that hinge, I'm going to roll. 10, 9, 8, 7. So I'm going to give you some coach tips. Your free hand can touch a stable surface. So you can hold the hinge while you're rowing and don't have to focus on the balance. If you're using a stable surface, tap it, don't lean. Here's exercise number 2. So let's pretend I just did 10 reps of that single leg hip hinge hold in single arm row. Here's that front view. So it's under my left leg. So we're on the same page and I row. From there, you easily transition to a stagger stance. My right leg slightly goes back, heel up. Here's my stagger stance. My bum goes back and then I come back up. So what you should be seeing is my hips. Look at my hips. Inhale, my butt goes back, and then it goes forward. This knee is slightly bent. My right heel is up. I'm gonna make a little joke. My eyes are up here. That was a joke, because you should be looking at my hips as I do that. So there you have it. You would do 10 reps, first with the single arm row, holding that hinge, transition to that other exercise, repeat on the other side. If you have any questions, message me and post your comments.